Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I am sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how to enable or disable the parking sensors. This video should apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, I will not go into too much details. Right here on the main dashboard, you will see this P off icon. You want to press it, and this means ParkSense off, so your parking sensors are disabled. Go here under the vehicle, and here on the safety and driving assistance, you have a couple of settings: ParkSense sound only or sound and display, and rear ParkSense volume, low, medium and high. So you can adjust a couple of things. And rear ParkSense braking assist, this means if you're reversing and parking, and if you're about to hit something and you don't see, the vehicle will automatically brake. So you can adjust a couple of these parking sensors settings here, but here is the main switch to enable or disable the sensors. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.